So back again, www.Enochian.org, doing another unboxing. Last one was kind of fun. Now onto this one. So, 2-volume set. The Enochian spirits were extremely vocacious. Here we go. Here's the book. This is what it looks like. There we go. The most faithful and accurate edition of John Dee's Conversation with Angels. All the experts in Enochian who have read this, who study Enochian even more than I do, and even more than I have had, which is kind of amazing since I've been studying it for, I don't know, over 20 years, doing a lot of all-nighters. But still, there are definitely some experts in the field, and they say this is definitely an accurate edition. Now, Joseph Peterson's, what he's put out is pretty amazing too. So, in comparison to Peterson's, I don't know. But I've heard that this one is amazingly accurate. I figured they're both worthy. So get the Peterson 5 Books of Mystery while you're at it. This might be a replacement to Jeffrey James's book. At least, I've heard a couple of complaints about James, even though James is my favorite for Enochian stuff. Anyway, so let's open this. Excuse the kitchen knife. But anyway, I tried it with the fingernails. Last video attempt, it didn't work so well. So we'll do the knife version this time. There we go. It's has slightly thicker wrapping than the Touch Me Not book. So I had to actually get a tool out for getting into this. There we go. Pretty nicely done. 2-volume set. You know, a little light reading, you know, just a little bit of reading for a couple minutes before bed. Meanwhile, you find out sun's coming up and you're still reading. Anyway, not that I've ever had that happen myself. So, this comes with it. This comes out. Just basically the front cover, I guess. Now to figure out how to do this with one hand. Oh, here's the back cover. Okay, so, Llewellyn has put out some awesome stuff lately. This. You're going to fall over. I know it. Anyway. There we go. Okay, there's people cringing about what I've just done to the books, I'm sure. So, very large books. As large as the Touch Me Not book, actually, but a little thicker. Like I said, some light reading. Nice end papers. Llewellyn has upped their game, I see, which is awesome. Okay, so maybe they didn't put out some absolutely perfect stuff, but hey, they put out this, so that's good. So just get this one. Or, hey, if you like some of the others. So, is this volume 1 or volume 2? We'll find out soon enough. This is volume 1. Compiled and edited by Kevin Klein. Thank you, Kevin, whoever you are. I couldn't find you on Facebook, but thanks. You're awesome. You rock. Thanks for doing this. I know how hard it is to read all those manuscripts. I did get them all on actual microfilm years ago. And I got them all digitized and everything. And, ooh, that takes a bit to go through, let me tell you. And it's obvious from all the reviews I've read so far, by all the people, the experts in the field, that he didn't just take from a true and faithful, which isn't the most reliable. It's pretty obvious he went with the original manuscripts. So, let's see if I can focus this in. There you go, you can kind of read it. Oh, so it's compiled by the different Sloan manuscripts and the Cotton Appendix. Nice. So let's get to the good stuff. Okay, so it tells you what each symbol means or so forth. And we have the ring, so we have actual pictures from the actual original manuscripts put in, and I see that he has added the margin notes that Dee liked to add. Dee liked to do those scribbles and margin notes. So it's very cool that those are included. So if there's anybody who has not read the original Enochian manuscripts, I'm sorry, but you no longer have any excuses. There you go. The Enochian Planetary Magic. Get at it. There you go. It's your chart. But you don't have an excuse anymore. This is easy to read. This is not in Old English. It's in a regular, easily readable font, but including all the original little drawings and scribbles and such, which is very nice. Still pretty readable compared to, have you tried to go through Dee's handwriting? I have. It's a little difficult to make out. You get used to it, but still. Way easier to read when you go through and you have it all nicely typed out. Appendix, ooh, that's a good one. Just giving you the gist of random pages here. Interesting. I'm going to guess this is where the pages were crumpled or whatever, or darkened in the original. I'm just going to guess. Because there were, well, everybody knows what happened in the original manuscripts. Wrapping fish, wrapping pies, thrown in the fireplace, house started to be burned down by the neighbors, you know, stuff like that, right? So they're not in the best condition, all of them. They're in pretty good condition considering. So this might take a little while to read, but I'd say it's worth it. Fortunately, I got this on Amazon on sale. So tempting to get second copy so I can highlight it. Don't cringe. I know I heard some of you cringe right there. But it's kind of awesome when you can actually underline and highlight your books. When you're trying to learn something. You know, some people order books. I've had people order my grimoire. My grimoire's not cheap. I mean the leather-bound version. And not read it, just sit on the shelf. And I read my books. So I order them to read them. So I'm so tempted to get a second edition next time it goes on sale. So I can have a copy I can underline and such. Oops. Of course, the free shipping time might be a good time to order this one. There we go, right way up always helps. When you're trying to read or do an open boxing of a book. Now, those of you who think, wow, this is a bit much, do I really have to read all that for Enochian? I would say, depending on how deep of an understanding you would like. So definitely start with James, Ducat, Peterson, I'm trying to remember who else. Yeah, those are the good ones. Oh, my book, of course. I have a book on Enochian too. My book is basically, here's how you do it. Easy, explained. Here's how to take an advanced system and understand it and do it and get to work. Of course, I talk about the original manuscripts in my book. But definitely worth a read. Now, oh, nice. Here we are going on the heptarchy, I'm guessing here. Yes, the heptarchy. So, yeah, Dee and Kelly didn't just get the Great Table in one go. It was a few tries. They got a few versions of it. Oh, nice. Okay, this is the best part. The Enochian prayers or conjurations, depending on how you look at it. Now, I wonder if they're translated anywhere. Ooh, I wonder if there's another translation, aside from James. I think somebody else might have too, but the translation of these would be a good thing. I'll have to look through and see if I can find that. I've been using James since my Latin isn't perfect. I sit there with the Latin dictionary and all the parsers and so forth, and it takes me forever, and I don't have Latin memorized. So my translations, ooh, nice. The 49 by 49 tables. I still want to look into those. The Enochian entities have told me a few things about these, but further research is definitely needed. 49 by 49 tables. So it's all in here. We're talking all of it in two giant books. Oh, nice. So they narrow down where to look for what? I see. So as I was saying, okay, this might be a little daunting, but just go through it and just read 1 to 5 pages per night. Your lunch break, okay, so it might be a little big to bring to your workplace, but whatever, just, your lunch break, your coffee break, whatever, just read a page or 5 and then eventually get through it. It'll be worth it. Ooh, check out the index later. It's always fun to check out these sections first sometimes. Whoa, this guy actually made an index for this book? Wow, that in itself must have taken a long time. Damn. He actually indexed this stuff. That's really impressive. Wow. So, there you have it. Dee and Kelly's Enochian diaries in 2 giant books. I recommend them. The price is actually extremely good, considering the quality and considering the work that was put in and so forth. Get to it, get reading it. Like I said, again, just 1 to 5 pages at a time, or however many. A few all-nighters is always fun if you have a free weekend or something, but in general, if you find it daunting, just read a little bit, or just look in the index on your favorite topic, though I also recommend cover to cover eventually. That's what bookmarks are for, just put the bookmark in. Anyway, this is Athena again from www.Enochian.org. Like, comment, and share, and check out this book.
Thanks for watching, comment, like, and share.